Using inheritance leads to target high-value properties. Inheritance leads, a treasure trove. If you are a real estate investor looking for high-value properties, inheritance leads are a goldmine. Once you have built a list, you will have access to motivated sellers who want to sell their assets very quickly. So, if you're ready to start this lucrative strategy, inheritance leads from LeadCruncher can help you automate your efforts and profitability. Introduction to inheritance leads. Inheritance leads are properties inherited from deceased owners by their beneficiaries. Well, these properties tend to have different conditions which make these properties strong candidates for real estate investing. It's an emotional time for many heirs, and they often become motivated sellers, needing to make a quick sale because of finances or lack of emotional attachment or the burden of managing the property. For real estate professionals, inheritance leads offer access to off-market properties that are not publicly listed. This minimizes competition, leading to chances to negotiate better terms. In addition, these leads often have valuable information such as property details, ownership information, and contact details for heirs, allowing investors to act quickly and smartly. Inheritance leads offer investors a unique opportunity to serve a niche market with a high potential for profitable transactions while assisting heirs in navigating the complexities of selling inherited property. Identifying high-value properties through inheritance data. Not all inherited properties are equal. Some hold immense value due to their location, condition, or market demand. When inheriting properties, we can find high-value properties through data. The critical indicators to start with are property location, the assessed value of similar properties, and area market trends. Data on inheritance typically contain extensive records that enable investors to home in on money-making opportunities. You are also based on historical sales data and comparable properties in the area. Moreover, knowing the heir's motivations is critical. Investors can scoop up deals below the market value because many sellers are more concerned with speed than maximizing their profit. Using inheritance data, together with other market research, real estate professionals have the ability to locate high-value properties. Tools and platforms for accessing inheritance leads. Accessing reliable inheritance leads is essential for success in this niche market. Platforms like LeadCruncher make it easy by providing businesses with full datasets featuring property information and the heir's contact details. Missing contact information can be tracked down quickly using skip tracing tools. By doing so, investors can contact sellers without delays and close deals efficiently. Moreover, CRM systems integrated with platforms like inheritance leads help organize and prioritize these leads based on location or urgency. There are also upper-end platforms that can automate lead validation and direct mail marketing campaigns, giving investors tools to execute outreach. These tools help real estate professionals to save time and enjoy access to profitable opportunities with deemed ease. Turning inheritance leads into profitable deals. Knowing how to move from an inheritance lead to a profitable deal means approaching heirs with empathy and professionalism. Sellers often are going through emotional situations and welcome solutions that reduce stress while providing fair terms. The beginning point is developing a strong relationship with heirs through clarity of communication and transparency in the process. If you are willing to consider flexible options like cash purchases or seller financing, that can make your offer more attractive. Doing deep due diligence on each property also gives you the confidence to understand what it's worth and what you may be getting into before even making an offer. Lastly, thinking of diversifying your strategies depending on the condition of the property and the market demand. Whether you are flipping for a quick profit in the real estate market or renting out for consistent cash flow, adjusting your strategy allows you to maximize your return on investment, ROI, and effectively meet the needs of motivated sellers. Conclusion: using inheritance leads to drive real estate growth. We can see that inheritance leads give real estate investors a unique opportunity to gain access to high-value properties while decreasing competition in the market. Using LeadCruncher and other tools along with strategies for discovering and cultivating these high-quality leads will allow investors to tap into a large source of growth and profits. And if you are serious about your investment strategy, then adding inheritance leads to your routine is a no-brainer. Success in real estate has never been easier with dependable data and new tools to strengthen your decision-making.